A frictional journey beyond time. The evening sky glowed in shades of amber and gold. The city hummed with its usual rhythm, but somehow this evening felt different, as if time itself had decided to pause. In a world where the memory and the melodies never fade, I found myself walking through an old recording studio, vintage microphone, reel to reel tapes, and piano silently waited, preserving stories from another era. This was not reality, it was the journey of the heart. The studio door slowly opened. There he was, the legendary Panchamda, smiling with the same warmth, the generous. He looked busy humming a fresh tune, tapping rhythm on the table, surrounded by music notes dancing in the air. I smiled and said, Panchamda, I know you have been busy composing melodies that even time cannot erase. I could not meet you on your birthday as you were busy with your musical trip schedule, but today I have come with you just one wish. He looked up with a smile, and here I wished him with a folded hand, Happy birthday, Panchamda. For a brief moment, silence filled the room. Then he laughed that familiar, familiar style. Music never celebrates birthday, he said softly. It celebrates heart that continue listening. The piano began playing on its own, a harmonica echoes in the distance. Vinyl records spun effortlessly. Every iconic melody felt present without a single word being spoken. It was not a birthday party, it was celebration of passion, it was celebration of creativity, a celebration of fearless experimentation. Every instrument whispered one message: true artists never leave. Endless corridor of music. Through I realized something beautiful. Legends don't measure time by calendars. They measure it by the smile their music continues to create. As the evening faded into the starlight, Panchamda picked up his hat, smiled once again, and slowly disappeared to the trail of musical notes. The studio became quiet, but somehow the music continued. Maybe that's what legends truly are, people whose melody refuse to say goodbye. This meeting may be frictional, but the gratitude is real. Happy birthday, Panchamda. Thank you for giving generations the gift of music, imagination, and memories that will forever